So let's go ahead and unbox the RØDE Wireless Pro microphones and see what all is included. Now for this video, I'm actually recording it on my other set of mics that I've been using here for quite a while. I really like the mics, and so you're actually going to hear what it sounds like here with these mics while we do the unboxing. And looking inside, you're going to see that we've got two different cases, one for the mics, the other for the accessories, and we've also got the USB cable tucked into the back here to plug it into the computer. And then we've also got a quick start guide and some regulatory information. Now, as for the microphones themselves, here is the case. On the back, we've got our USB port to charge the case and charge the microphones, as well as to connect it to the camera. And we've got a pairing button right there. And opening up the case here, you can see that we've got our two transmitters. I'm actually recording onto one of these here. And then on the other side, we've got our receiver, which you can plug into the camera here, as well as use it to control when these mics are recording, if you like. You'll also see that there's a USB port there, which is how we get the power pass through to charge the different mics and to send all the data out the back to the computer. And then we've got our microphones here. And as you can see, they actually turn on automatically when you pull them out of the charge case. On top, we've got the button here to start and stop recording. There's the actual microphone, and you can attach some of the accessories like the dead cat to cut out wind noise. We've got an audio input here to connect an external lav mic. We've got a configurable button here on the bottom to like change modes and whatnot. And then the last thing is just the USB port here on that side, and then the clip here on the back, which I use all the time to clip onto my clothing. Then taking a look at the accessories container, let's see what all we've got. We've got a USB-C to lightning cable like this so that you can connect things directly to a lightning iPhone if you like. We've also got a second USB-C to USB-C cable. We've also got the cable here for connecting the receiver directly to a camera. And this is handy so that your in-camera audio sounds better than what would natively be used in the camera itself. Then taking a look in here, we've got some magnetic clips. And these are really powerful. You can basically take these and connect them to the back of your mics and then use the magnets here to clip them onto whatever you need. There is a bit of like a rubberized coating on them, and I was trying to pull it off here because they stick on so strongly. And as you can see, by mistake, I actually started pulling off the coating here around the magnet. So heads up, just be careful when you're trying to actually remove these because they are pretty strong. Then taking a look at more accessories here, we'll get rid of the silica packet. And then pulling out everything that was underneath that flap, we've got two different lav mics here like this that are going to connect directly into the transmitters and then attach to you wherever you need. And to attach those to you, they've got two lav mic clips like this. One side goes to the mic, and then the other side just kind of flips around like this to attach to your clothing. We've also got a little cover here, which you can slide on to the end of the microphone. And if you need even more coverage, they have some dead cats, a pair of them here like this that are going to slide over top as well and add even more protection. Then there's three different dead cats here specifically to attach to the mics. And those screw directly onto the mic hole on top here like this. I'm actually recording with one of those right now because I do like that it helps to get rid of some of the S sounds or some of the like muffled impacts or something that I get from my voice, just to kind of like get rid of some of the breathy stuff that happens when the mic is really close to you. And to attach, they have the round connector right there that just kind of like screws onto the microphone itself. This is the mic that I'm talking about right there in the center. And then off to the side, if you want an external mic, that's where the lav mic comes into play. That'll just plug in and screw in. It's got these like twist connectors right there. And if you need replacements, it does come with a pair of extras in case maybe they like fall off while you're unscrewing or something and they get lost. And then lastly, it looks like we've also got a little cleaning cloth here, and we've got just some more safety and regulatory information for the lav mics. And so looking at everything that's included, we've got our two different mics as well as the receiver. We've got our charge case to charge everything, and then an accessories case for all these different accessories. We've got a number of different like dead cats here, big ones and small ones, different cables to connect everything, a pair of different lav mics, USB cables here to connect it to your phone or your computer, and then a variety of different clips, not just the ones that come onto the back like this, but also we've got some magnetic ones too, some spare parts, etc.